Yeah, what up, y'all? It's your boy Severe. Here to hit y'all with another quick reaction. We got a lady that's getting taken to court over a bill of some sort. It go crazy because she owed a certain amount of money, but she only paid these dudes $20, man. What are we doing here, man? This is crazy.
What?
Before we get into it, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment, man. Help me out. Let's go.
All right, looks like we have everybody here. Miss St. Fleur, you ready?
Good morning, Judge Corsi.
Good morning.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready. Thank you so much, Your Honor. I do apologize. I did have a trial this morning before Judge Wong, and we sent the conflict letter to the to the person the staff attorney that's no longer with Judge Berry. So my sincere apologies, and I thought my paralegal filed it, but she probably did not.
What? Okay. So you may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. This matter was, a while back, Your Honor, in 2020. This was a legitimation action with petition for legitimation to establish custody, child support, and visitation. Your Honor, when we went to court, Your Honor, we filed a motion to compel, I think, in that case, Your Honor, and opposing side, the defendant did not respond. Your Honor, per that order, Your Honor, we ended up filing a petition. The petitioner ended up filing a motion for contempt, Your Honor, because the court ordered that we end up filing a motion for contempt, Your Honor, because the defendant owed $2,755.40 of attorney fees. What? Your Honor, I think that was encompassed because she failed to respond to the motion to compel, and Judge Berry granted me that motion.
What the fuck?
And Your Honor, we attached it to the plaintiff's motion for incarceration, Your Honor, that was attached as Exhibit A. Your Honor, since that time, Your Honor, we've appeared before Judge Berry a few times, Your Honor, and surprisingly, this is the first time Ms. Lott has appeared since our trial in 2020.
Okay, now we getting the gist of it, y'all. She owe over $2,000 in lawyer fees, man. What are we doing here? Or they think they can use the system and don't have to pay it back. And you should have got a public defender, and that'll probably cost you.
What the fuck?
What are we doing here? This is serious work.
Your Honor, I've tried to reach out to Ms. Lott a few times, Your Honor, to no avail. Your Honor, she's been included on all of the email correspondence with the court. Your Honor, she's willfully failed and refused to pay the attorney fees. Your Honor, last time we were in court, I think Judge Berry, I thought she granted the contempt and stated that because we did request for incarceration, Your Honor. What? And I guess we're here and just we're asking that Ms. Lott is incarcerated until the $2,755.40 is paid, Your Honor.
Damn! Yeah! They trying to throw her in jail for that, sure. And you tried to take 2 stacks from the lawyer. You know they was coming to get their bread. What are we doing here? Your ass is going to jail, man. Woo! That's a guarantee. Let's go.
I am asking for attorney fees for today, Your Honor, and even me having to file this motion and continue to, I guess, seek attorney fees from Ms. Lott, Your Honor.
What are you asking for today?
Your Honor, for today, Your Honor, I'm asking for $1,500, Your Honor. And I can provide my affidavit to the court, Your Honor. We had to communicate with the court, Your Honor. I've been practicing law since 2008, Your Honor. I've been in good standing since that time. Your Honor, I charge my client a flat fee of the $1,500 just to try to see, just so we can file this motion for incarceration.
What the fuck? Okay. Yo.
All right, Ms. Lott.
This is some serious work. Yo, what are we doing here, yo? Seriously. Yo, she over 2 stacks in lawyer fees, man. This is some crazy work, man. Yo, how you not gonna pay the lawyers? your own lawyers. Anyway, yo, what are we doing? And now you getting taken to court, man. This is crazy, man. I cannot believe this right here, man. Oh, you know they're gonna get their bread. That's a fact. What are we doing here, y'all?
Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm the evidence you're about to present in the matter and hearing should be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Your Honor, are you judging me?
You want to call it that, but I assume you want to testify on your own behalf.
Yes, I do. And if the attorney is not going to be sworn in, that is a conflict of interest. And I have filed motions. I filed a quo warranto because I have searched for law licenses and I have not found any. There's been no true judges since 1789. And the United States filed a Chapter 11 in 1933, which lost their sovereignty as a government. So I can't even be heard here. I have asked the court to provide me documentation stating that this is an Article 3 court. I have not gotten anything back from the judge with any type of documentation from the Attorney General, from the Secretary of State. You guys have not had permission to try me, and no law is above God's law. So I cannot honor any of your laws. It supersedes every single law that you guys have given me. I have tried to settle this in court. I have filed a fiduciary relationship 56. I am friends with the IRS. I have attempted to settle with a $20 money order because there is no money.
Yo, yeah. Did she just say she tried to settle with a goddamn $20 money order?
What the fuck?
Chick, you owe over 2 stacks, yo. What are we doing?
Bang! Bang! It's good!
I mean, really, you owe 2 stacks in lawyer fees. And you talking about you don't go by they laws, man.
Nigga, please.
No, yo, that ain't how this works, man. You need to come up out that bread. I mean, like, right now. Seriously, yo, you is not leaving out here without that bread, or you going to jail. That's a big fact, man.
The court, and everything was sent back. So rejection of payment is payment, Your Honor. And my religion strongly prohibits any satanic laws or rituals, and I cannot serve 2 masters. So,
yeah. I hear crazy. I hear crazy. Yeah, I know how I feel about crazy. Yo, what are we doing here, yo? Talking about she don't follow satanic, yo. Hey, yo, I'm not doing this, yo. Not day, yo. Yo, this chick is crazy right here, man. What are we doing here right now? Crazy work.
either I don't even know what to do here in this matter, because I have asked to be tried in an Article 3 court. This is not a court of equity. God's law trumps all laws made by man.
What the
God
fuck?
also says no man should be judged, or you will be judged.
Hey, yo. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We not doing that. That's not how this works, man. And Bible quotes does not sway in the courtroom. I mean, what are we doing here, bro? Talk to her.
Maybe you know that's not how this works. No, that's not how this works.
Not at all, man. Your Bible quotes ain't gonna work here today, ma'am. Seriously. Yo, she swears she know the law, yo. This is some crazy work.
My religion. I have not broken any of God's laws. I have not committed any crimes. I have not harmed my offspring. I am the first lien holder on my child's estate. So there is nothing that I can do for Miss LaFleur, and I will not be paying it because my God told me not to. He gave me the instructions on what to do.
What? Hey, yo! Are you serious right now? Is this what we doing? Is this what we doing? Somebody let me know, man. I'm not doing this. I'm really not, yo. What are we doing here, yo? This is so crazy work. Rick, you doing that?
No, sir. Not me.
Yo, this is crazy right now, yo. She talked to her. I think she talking to the wrong way, y'all.
And you guys refused it. You guys refused my quo warranto because it wasn't written in the way that you accepted, but I am not under your laws. I am friends with the IRS. I have sent out my documentation. I have my own contract with myself. I don't have a contract with you guys. I have not signed anything, and I am not a 14th Amendment corporate war citizen. I am a natural person. That is what I have to say.
What the fuck?
You have any questions for Ms. Lott, Ms. St. Fleur?
Yes, Ms. Lott, were you present in court for the petition for a legitimation with Tariq Crump?
Ms. LaFleur, can you provide me your?
It's St. Fleur. It's St. Fleur. It's not LaFleur. If we're gonna quote all of these articles, make sure you get my name right. It's St. Fleur.
St. Fleur?
It's St. Fleur. Were you in court? I mean, I'm not sure if any of the articles could tell me, but were you in court?
Questions. I have no further answers for any of your questions. I said what I said. This law does not trump God's law. I'm under God's law, and that's it.
Yo, she is serious about this, huh? Yeah, is that what we doing? Yo, is that what we doing right now, yeah? This chick is crazy. She's 10 karat crazy, yo. Nah, we ain't doing this. Not today, yo. Not today, man. Yo, this is so crazy work.
Well, anything further, Ms. St. Fleur?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lott, we have an order that was entered back on February 13th of this year, saying you had 10 days to pay this $2,755.40.
What?
Do you have any proof that any payment was made?
I have the proof here, and this was sent back to me. This is the money order that I sent to the court.
That's
Your
that
law-
$20 thing you said?
Yes, it is. That is the settlement that is written in your laws. I did send the thing. They sent it back, and refusal of payment is payment. So I will handle it with the IRS from here.
Well, $20 doesn't equal $2,755.40.
That's a fact. That's a fact, man. You talking about you paying it off $20 and you don't go by the laws. Yo, this chick is crazy. I don't care what nobody say. She crazy as hell, bro. Talk to her.
You one crazy ass bitch.
Nah, yo, we not doing this, yo, at all, man.
Any court fees cannot supersede to $20, and that is what I paid as a natural person. I don't know about any U.S. citizen. I'm not a U.S. citizen. I'm a natural person and a private American.
Okay.
Mr. Crump, who is a U.S. citizen, however, has also violated the own court order that he brought into matter, because my child is supposed to go to school in DeKalb County, and he decided that he wasn't going to do that, Your Honor. This man is abusive, and at this point, I am over this whole situation.
Well, that's not before the court today.
Yep. Because, I mean, at this point, I'll take it up with God.
Yo, this chick crazy.
I've not committed any crimes under God's law. I have not stolen. I have not bared false witnesses. I have not killed anyone. I have not dishonored my mother and my father, and I have not put any man before God, and I will not put any of you guys before God either.
Yo, hey. This is so crazy work. Yo, Bible quotes don't work in the courtroom, man. I can't even talk right now, yo. Bible quotes do not work in the courtroom. It's plain evidence. They have plain evidence of you not paying the bill, not paying your lawyer fees, man. What are we doing here? You're going to jail. Simple as that, man. What are we doing here?
Fine.
Tyreek, back up. Go back in there.
All right, Ms. Lott, I'm gonna find you in contempt of court for failure to pay the $2,755.40. Order you incarcerated, that is jailed, until you've paid the money.
I will be taking it up with the IRS, and I will be filing liens because you guys do not have liens over myself, my estate, or my child. So
You'll take it up with the sheriff first.
I will not, because the sheriff does not have any jurisdiction.
Turn yourself in, or the sheriff will come out and arrest you.
Jurisdiction over me, and the sheriff does not have any jurisdiction over
That's
me.
fine. Once you
Yo, she really adamant about this shit, yo. She talking about she ain't going to jail. Nah, chick, that's not how this works, man. We keep telling you that's not how this works. Oh, you're going to jail.
you're released, I'll give you 90 days to pay an additional $1,500 for attorney's fees incurred by the plaintiff for today's proceeding. And I'll ask Ms. St. Fleur to submit the order.
Will do, Your Honor.
And include in that, the sheriff will notify the court when Ms. Lott has been arrested.
Can you guys provide me with evidence that you are Article 3 court and not a military court?
And we'll send you a copy of the order. Okay.
Yo.
All right. Anything?
It's good seeing you, Judge. It's been a long time, Judge. I hope the department is treating you well.
Yeah. It's the way to go. Thank you. Good seeing you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
All right. Same to you.
Your Honor, we have no further business with I have no further business with the court. May I be excused?
You send your order to Ms. Carr.
I definitely will.
Okay.
I put my information in the chat, Judge.
All right. Okay, thank you. You're excused.
Thank you.
The clip, man. This is crazy work. Shorty said, I ain't going to jail because I'm not under your laws. Are you kidding me right there? Really? Really, man? No, we are not doing that. Desi, talk to her.
Lock his ass up. Lock his ass up. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Hey, yo, Shorty off her rocker, yo. What are we doing here, yo? Oh, man. Before we get out of here, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop me a comment. Help me out, man. Y'all want to see another clip just like this that go crazy? Click right there. Click right there. Or click right here. Wherever YouTube put it, that's where y'all click it at.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing.